Stop. What is this? Some kind of vanilla ice cream commercial? No, it's not. Actually, I'm here to teach you how to make pig oil the right way. Just go to your butcher or the nearest market to buy pig fat. It's cheap and easily obtainable. You'll need a sharp knife to dice the fat as much as you can. This process is also known as pulverizing. The batch of fat on the left has been pulverized. The one on the right was not attended to yet. Once done, put everything in a pot and preheat your oven to around 130 degrees Celsius or 266 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover your pot. Ensure that the oven is nice and hot. Then, bring your pot over to the oven and place it in. While the oven is doing its job, prepare an airtight container to store the lard, and also a cheesecloth for filtering. If you do not have a cheesecloth, use a strainer. That will work fine as well. Make sure your cheesecloth is at an appropriate size, enough to cover the airtight container. Place the cloth over the container and secure it with 2 rubber bands. Alright, let's check back our lard and see what is happening 30 minutes into the process. So, this is what it looks like 30 minutes into the rendering process. Fast forward 2 hours later, you can see that the lard is significantly more now. As I can't wait to show you how this is done, I'm going to proceed with the next steps immediately. Turn off your oven, take off the lid, and you'll be greeted with some nice sizzling lard and fat residue. During this time, bring the pot to somewhere safe and get ready to transfer the lard into your airtight container. You could use a ladle to pour the lard over the cheesecloth and allow the liquid to take its course. Once that is done, you'll get a nice smooth yellowish substance sitting in the container waiting for your command. Close the lid and ensure that everything is secure, then place the lard into the fridge for around 1 hour. In the end, you should be able to achieve the beautiful snow white butter-like lard ready for your cooking needs. When kept in the fridge, it can last for half a year. If kept in the freezer, it can last for more than 2 years. So that's it. This is how you make pig oil the right way. Hope you've learned something useful today.